Good morning to all of you. Welcome to you all in your language class. Now students, today we will do the topic the verb for third class. Now read these sentences. The girl sang sweetly. He spoke very kindly to the girl. The sun rises in the east. They saw the movie last night. In these sentences, the words sings, spoke, rises, and saw are verbs. So, students, a verb is mainly a doing word. It says that someone or something does an action. Such a word is also called an action word. Beta, in these words, sings, spoke, rises, and saw. These are the words and these are the verbs which we are called these verbs or the action words or the doing words. So the verb has a three names also. First is of doing words and the verb, and the third is of action words. So these words we can say these words are sayings as an action words and also doing words, and we can also these words as the verbs also. Now words like be has also verbs like am, is, are, was, were, and have also have a form of verbs like have, has, had are also included in the verbs. They tell us what someone or something is or has. Like she is my friend. Now is expresses a state or a being. Mary had a little lamb. Had expresses the possession. A verb is not always one word. It may often consist of more than one word also. Like she is writing a letter. They are quarreling with each other. Now the definition of verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. Example, the girl sings sweetly. 2 and 2 make 4. They are playing chess in the room. Now I am repeating the definition. Definition of verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. Example, the girl sings sweetly. 2 and 2 make 4. They are playing chess in the morning. They are playing chess in the room. Points to remember. We generally make a singular verb by adding s at the end. For example, the boy reads a book. We do not add s in the plural verbs. For example, boys go to school. And in the third, I is a special pronoun. It is a singular in number, but it takes a plural verb. Example, I drink coffee. Beta, I am repeating points to remember. We generally make a singular verb by adding s at the end. Beta, singular sentence singular के साथ we are using verb and using s with the verb. For example, the boy is a singular here and reads is a verb we are using s with the reads a book, and we do not add s in the plural verbs. For example, boys go to school. Now here boys is a plural, so go is a singular verb, and I is a special pronoun and it is singular in number, but it takes a plural verb. For example, I drink coffee. So the students read the chapter, the verb very carefully, and if anybody have any type of problem or any confusion, then you may call me or you may ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.